Welcome to doassignment-ca. Here is the problem. 2 points on a line are -2, 5 and 4, -1. Find the slope of the line, write the equation in point-slope form using one of the points, and then express it in slope-intercept form. Now let us work through the solution step by step. We start with the slope formula, m equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 divided by x sub 2 minus x sub 1. We label our 2 points. X sub 1 is -2, y sub 1 is 5, x sub 2 is 4, and y sub 2 is -1. Substituting, the numerator is -1 minus 5, which is -6. The denominator is 4 minus -2, which is 6. So m equals -6 over 6, which simplifies to -1. Point-slope form is y minus y sub 1 equals m times the quantity x minus x sub 1. We will plug in the point -2, 5, along with our slope of -1. Plugging in, we get y minus 5 equals -1 times the quantity x minus -2, which simplifies to y minus 5 equals -1 times the quantity x plus 2. That is our point-slope form. To convert, we distribute -1 across x plus 2, giving -x minus 2. Then we add 5 to both sides. -2 plus 5 is 3. The slope-intercept form is y equals -x plus 3. Here is the graph of y equals -x plus 3. The line crosses the y-axis at 3 and has a downward slope of -1, passing through both of our original points, -2, 5 and 4, -1. To summarize, the slope is -1. The point-slope form is y minus 5 equals -1 times the quantity x plus 2, and the slope-intercept form is y equals -x plus 3. We can verify by plugging in 4 for x, -4 plus 3 equals -1, which matches our second point. The answer checks out. Visit doassignment.ca for more study tools, AI learning support, and online tutoring.